Let's make a pair of leggings from our City Life pattern. There are 3 pieces to cut. Pin and sew the front rise. Clip the front rise seam allowance. Wrong side together, fold and pin the waistband. Then sew a basting stitch. Right sides together, pin and sew the waistband to the leggings. Fold and sew the hem of the leggings. Right sides together, sew the back rise. Clip the back rise seam allowance. Right sides together, pin the inseam of the leggings and sew. The City Life leggings are complete. Where will your dog go in their leggings?